Whoa.
Dad, what? I can see money. Dad, can you video my rod? I don't know how you...
Don't push any buttons.
I'm not.
Yeah.
that radio's not there. 514.
Got a net. We told you that's a good spot, Dad.
Lift them down, mate. So one down. Okay, you need it. But wait. Not until Maddie gets it up. That's the one. Oh, that might have a bit of weight, Mads. Yeah. One down. Okay, Dustin, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it in, walk over. Nice fish, Mads. We're going to keep that one. Okay, that'll do. Bring it into the net. Oh, okay, Dustin. Lift up, Dustin. Oh. Put your net down. Hang on. Move your net around. Here we go. Nice, Dustin. Yeah, I'll help you. Nice fish. Another good one, Mads. Let your line out. As soon as it's in the net, let your line out.
Oh, my head.
Let it out, Mads. Yeah, that's the one. Good fish.